weak fingers. So what can we do to build up the strength? First exercise is touch and fall. You touch the string and you sink into the string. You can help with the right hand if you feel that the string is too high and you need an extra support. Another exercise is tapping. Tap each finger, but as you can see, I'm not going too far from the string. And again, be very careful with the thumb. What you can do to help yourself is put your finger under the thumb and you will feel straight if you're squeezing. With the time, you will be able to hear the note. Another exercise which will help to build the strength in your fingers is tapping, but different type of tapping. For this exercise, let's go step by step. You will need to rotate your lower arm, and that movement will come from elbow. In easiest way, imagine you drinking and place it. Drink, place. Again, the rotation comes from the elbow. The wrist is completely straight, and imagine you do hold something. Try to avoid doing this. The wrist should be completely straight and ready to hit. And now make the circle and try same with that circle. And now connect the thumb and the middle finger. Try the same. Again, the whole lower arm is rotating. The fourth and the pinky. Right, what do we need to do? Place the first finger to remember this rotation and accelerate the movement and hit the second finger. It's like falling down on the second finger. Take the thumb off and you will feel more weight coming from the arm. Ideally, you will hear the next note. Now third finger. And the fourth finger. You don't have much space for the fourth finger. If you're sliding, it's absolutely fine. We're not working on the finding the first position. We're working on the strength of your fingers. You can do the same with the right hand to feel that movement better. Third finger and second. So use 1, 2, 3, 4 and then back and then go backward. Let me give you a few more exercises how you can make your fingers stronger. Place the first finger in the first position. What we're going to do, we're going to transfer the weight from one finger to another. And I really need you to focus on that feeling. Also, I will ask you to move the elbow a little bit up and down like jumping on the trampoline. Ensure your elbow is high enough. Thumb is off the neck and all the weight is focused in the first finger. And now do a little turn if you're putting the glass of the water on a table and move to the finger 2. So smooth step and take the first finger off and one more time. So jump on it, feel the weight, thumb is off the neck and now move to the second finger. So roll it and here you are, second finger, and do the same, jump a little bit. So touch and fall, feel that weight, make sure the elbow is high enough and now roll it to the third finger. That's it. Jump a little bit on the string. The other fingers are loose they're close to the string as well. And now the same, so the pinky will need a lot of attention. Make sure it doesn't go straight, so it's still curved and the string is under your fingertip, and jump on it. This is extra work for the pinky because it doesn't have the support of the first 3 fingers. And now let's go back, so roll it to the finger 3 and imagine you are drinking, so roll it to the 3rd finger, and same, try to reach the fingerboard, so make sure the string is pressed or you're sinking in until you feel the fingerboard. And same again, so roll it to the 2nd finger, jump, thumb is still off the neck, elbow is high, and again to the 1st finger, so turn, roll. That's it. Practice this exercise super slowly because you will need to focus on your feelings and make sure that everything is working correct. Knuckles curved, straight wrist, elbow is high, thumb is off the neck. The next exercise is drop your next finger. Imagine it's really loose, like falling cloth. Take the thumb off the neck, ensure you're really sitting on the 1st finger. And now try to relax your fingers and hit the 2nd. So it's not that move when you roll it, but it's just hitting, but super loose fingers and relaxed. Imagine like you're doing something like this with the right hand, but aim to land on the fingertip. At the beginning you might have this sound, really weak, and it's absolutely fine. You will need to develop it gradually. Then same with the 3rd finger. Make sure you're standing well, sinking into the string with the first 2 fingers. And now same thing, try to drop the finger 3 and really loose pinky. Don't think about the distances between the fingers, they can be really close. We're working on the strength. As you can see, I'm helping a little bit with the hand, but this is not the full movement, so it's just this little tapping. And the pinky. They go higher above the string than usual, but it's just to have that feeling of complete freedom. Let's call this exercise free fall. There are plenty of exercises how you can develop the technique of the left hand. Speed, coordination, articulation, starting from Piatti, the Tower, Davidev, Lee, Kosman. You will need to choose the one according to your level and abilities. If you have a teacher, please ask your teacher to choose the one which is appropriate to your level. Because the pinky is the weakest, don't force. Give it more time. Another trick which might help you is, when you're reaching the pinky, try to rotate and give more weight to your 4th finger. In this way, you can distribute your arm weight and give the pinky more support. Also, you can use the wall and do a push-ups against the wall, but make sure you stand very close to it and all your fingers are curved. So generally you will be standing like this, doing few push-ups against the wall, and then do 1 step back, and then when you will start leaning on your fingers, and make sure you're not bending, and especially watch the pinky, you will feel it's getting harder. And then again, when you nailed it, do another step back and try it again. You can use the door or the wall, doesn't matter. You just need the vertical surface you can lean against. If you're a parent of a child or you're a teacher and you still find difficult to find the right solution, you might find that starting in a 4th position is more comfortable. It has few benefits. It will be less tiring for the upper arm. Another reason is because the distances between the fingers here are much smaller than here, it will be easier to find the notes without stretching the fingers too much. And the last reason is the string here is softer. Don't worry if you never heard about it. It was quite common in the post-Soviet Union, and I heard even once the Giovanni Salima, he told in his interview that actually he started in the 4th position as well.